Hi guys, my name is Arranpage, and in this video I'm going to be giving you 5 tips on how you can make money from busking. Let's get into it. So, tip number 1 is this. You need to have 1 hour of material that you can perform no matter what the climate, no matter what the environment. It doesn't matter whether you're hanging upside down on a ship that is sinking and is stricken with angry vampires, okay? So you need to have 1 hour of material, of songs or dance, whatever it is that you're doing, where you've performed this endlessly in the past and you are absolutely confident with it. Confidence shows when you're out busking. This will translate into more money. Tip number 2 is choose the right location at the right time. Okay, so some parts of the day there's going to be more foot traffic than there is at other times of day. So generally speaking, if you're looking at doing busking during the day, typically from my experience, 10:30 in the morning until about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, 12 until 2 being the busiest part of that shift, is usually the optimal time to go busking. And also the location is really important here. So if you want to go to a city, the benefits of that is you will have more exposure. However, the likelihood is, because there's so much more competition, you might not make as much money. If profitability is important to you and you want to make good money from this, go to a smaller town or a medium-sized town where there's not a lot of competition as far as buskers go, and you can choose a location within that town where you can be heard and you can be seen from a good while off, and people don't have to go out of their way to come to you to throw a coin in your case. If you can be somewhere where there's people walking past you from multiple directions, you are absolutely winning and you will have a profitable session. So choose your location wisely and do it at the right time of day is tip number 2. Tip number 3 is to make sure that your name and your social media channels are really visible when you're busking. This is really important, especially when you're busking in cities where you're going to have so much more exposure than you would be if you were busking in a smaller town. You may not be making as much money on the day. However, if your social media channels and your name are properly displayed, I can guarantee to you that you will be getting bookings and you will be getting calls and messages. And that will be because you displayed your name very clearly to people that are listening to you. So make sure that you've got a decently sized board with your name and your social media on it. That is tip number 3. Tip number 4, and this one seems so simple, but I guarantee you'll get more people tipping you as a result of this. I can't even speak. Tip number 4, smile and say thank you to everyone that tips you. This might be such a patronizing, mindless thing to suggest. However, the power of positive body language and simply thanking people that tip you will go a long way in when you go to that town again and that person sees you again. They will remember that recognition. They will tip you again. So make sure that your body language is positive. Make sure that you say thank you, or at the very least nod your head and smile to people if you can't. But this will go a long way in people tipping you more, I guarantee to you that. Okay, and tip number 5 is to be prepared for anything. So if you're going busking and you're a singer-songwriter like myself, you might be bringing a portable speaker that's battery powered, you'll be bringing a microphone, and you'll be bringing your microphone stand. At the very least, this is what you'll be bringing. So make sure that you've got some spare batteries if you need them. Make sure you're dressed appropriately for the weather that you're going out in. Make sure that if you're playing guitar, you've got a spare pair of strings. You never know, if you're in cold weather and it becomes warmer, your string might snap and you don't want to be running to the shops to get a pack of strings and then change them and come back. Someone may have taken your place. So make sure that you're stocked up on these things, and if it's a cold day, make sure that you've got a cup of tea or a cup of coffee. This is going to keep your hands so much warmer, and if you are playing an instrument, it's really important that you keep your hands dexterous and flexible and strong in that weather. For me personally, I always want to have a cup of hot coffee when I'm busking. This just makes it so much easier for me to play the guitar especially in colder weather. So be prepared, dress appropriately, make sure that you've got spare of whatever it is that you're bringing, and you won't have to be running away to go and change guitar strings or buying batteries if your amp has run out. Or even better than those things is to bring someone with you. If you do need some assistance, they can run off and do it for you, but this is definitely secondary. Make sure that you are well prepared in the first place. So these are 5 busking tips that I can give to you from almost a decade of experience. Use them well, and if you appreciate the video, do me a favor and drop a like in the comments below. Subscribe to my channel, turn the notifications on. You will be doing me a world of favors by doing that. So have a beautiful day. Thank you very much, and yeah, peace out.